Welcome to the candidate registration page for international students. In this video, we will explain on how to complete the registration process, payment process. All the applicants who are applying for courses such as medicinal science, engineering, law, architecture, pharmacy, etc. need to apply on this single window system. To register, students need to visit the website, that is dte.admissiondesk.org, and complete the registration of their application. To start with the registration, student needs to enter their full name as it is printed on the latest mark sheet, along with father's guardian first name, mother's name. Post that, select gender. Please note, once the student name is entered and confirmed, it cannot be edited again. Applicants must select the correct student category, as the documentation and the application form is based on the category you choose. You can scroll over each category for a detailed description. Login credentials. Kindly input your active email ID. All the communication for your admission will be emailed on this email ID. Your email ID will be your login ID as well. Enter your mobile number and WhatsApp number. University will communicate with you through your inputted mobile number or via email. So review the inputted details before you proceed ahead. Please use these login credentials to access your account and check the status of your application. Before proceeding, please read and accept the terms and conditions. Please enter the OTP that you received on your mobile or email. Sometimes the mail would land in your spam or junk folder. Post verification. Student needs to log in again with their registered email address and password set by them during the registration process. If you do not remember your login password, you can recover the same by clicking on the Forgot Password link available on the login page.